Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open Sam's bead box from May 2022. Now I know I'm late doing this. Unfortunately, Sam's box came to my in-laws' house instead of my house. Apparently we didn't get the address flipped over quick enough, and so I didn't have access to it because they live like 45 minutes from us, so we hadn't been down there in a few days. And then I went home. I flew home for a week, so I'm really late opening it, but I am going to open it because it's Sam's bead box, and how can I not, right? So first of all, our encouraging word for today is a fun fact, and this is, it says, did you know giant pandas have giant appetites? They spend 10 to 16 hours a day eating mostly bamboo. Their throat and stomach have a special lining to protect them from splinters. And I thought he was so cute. He's chowing down on that bamboo. But anyway, those are interesting things. I had no idea. But, you know, I knew they ate bamboo and lots of it, but yeah. Okay, so I've got my coffee here this morning. Here it is, and it's a good morning. I just got back from my family, seeing my family in West Virginia yesterday. I flew back in. And so was so happy to see Chris had gone down to his parents' house and got Sam's box. So here it is, and I'm excited. It is May 2022. It is called Boho Travels. And it says he was in Bangkok in 2012. And so just really interesting here. He's talking about taking his trip there, and he saw some really cool beads, I'm sure. So it's a boho theme inspired all about travel, whimsy, and celebrating unexpected combinations. So I'm really excited to get into this. Sam always puts candy in there, which of course is a wonderful thing. I'll put it up here in my little trinket box. And then he has started wrapping his boxes in this paper instead of, you know, trying to reuse, recycle, and not use so much plastic. So that's nice. So let's pull this open. And I'm just actually going to go through these. I'm not necessarily, he does have a list with everything. It says retail value $80, and he has a list with everything on here. But I am just going to go through them because he labels everything so well. So if you're interested in subscribing to Sam's Bead Box, you can visit, whoops, good night, I've got something crazy on there. Let's see, I believe it's samsbeadbox.com. Where's my little cheat sheet? I've forgotten everything since I was gone. I feel like I was gone forever, and I came back, and now I'm like, I can't remember anything. Okay, so Sam's box is $45 plus shipping, and I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy, just the regular Wendy, nothing on the end, and that will get you $5 off your first box. So you need to go to joinsamsbeadshop.com, and I will link all this in the description box below, but I just like to say it too because, yeah, it makes it so that more people will get it, will understand. Ships on the 10th of the month and renews on the 20th of the month. So Sam's is an awesome box. It is full of Czech glass and gemstones. All right, so we're just going to go through it. He does put this nice list here. So first of all, we have Czech Glass Hexagon Blue River Mix, 10 grams. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? Now, are these? Okay, I was just looking to see. These are single hole, not two hole beads. I wasn't sure. Those are beautiful. I love the color. They remind me of ammonite a little bit. Okay. They have kind of a, can you see? They have kind of like a violet, whoops, I was trying to get it to sit there so I could show you. There it is. See that little violet and blue? They're swirly. They're very pretty. Okay. So those are hex beads. I'll find something interesting to do with those for sure. And then we have Czech Glass Freeform Drop Peach Opal Luster. These are beautiful. Wow, look at that. Those are gorgeous. These would be so pretty to, like, wire wrap. A copper would be really pretty on these. Those are beautiful. They are very opal-y. Gorgeous beads. And these you get 15 pieces. He always puts such nice, good amounts in his boxes. Now these are table cut star coin, lavender silk Picasso, a 2-piece set. These are gorgeous. Oh, these are so pretty. I love table cut. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? And how pretty they look with these. Very, very nice. That's gonna be some earrings maybe with those. That would be so pretty. Look at this. Tiara cast feather pendant. Antique copper plate. 17 by 72 millimeters. Ooh, that is gorgeous. And I'm seeing one of my favorite gemstones coming up here in a minute. I'm so excited. And no, it's not mookaite. That is one of my favorites, but this is another one. Ooh, this is really pretty and such a nice size. I like this. And then a little dragonfly charm. Look how cute that would be hanging. Oh, that's adorable. Very cute. Look at the detail on that. And it is double-sided. So pretty. My nails are looking a little rough. I'm sorry, guys. They were looking really good. And then I came home yesterday and planted 2 palm trees. And made some cement stepping stones. So, yeah. Even though I do wear gloves and stuff, it doesn't seem to always help so much. So, yeah. Pink Rhodonite rounds. These are beautiful. 15-inch strand. Look at the differences in all these beads. It is so cool. Look at this one. There's one. They're just all so unique and so beautiful. That is a bunch of them too. Look at this one right here. I just love to look at each different one. They're so pretty. Then we have a Czech glass fish focal, pale lavender. This is cute. Oh, I know what I'm going to do with this. We're going to make a necklace, and it's going to be really cute. I have an idea. It just hit me. Yep. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. There it is. It is really cute. I've got E6000 on me, too. And I got a blister from trimming hedges in the yard. So you guys got to excuse my hands. They're awful. That's really cute. That's 17.5 by 23 millimeters, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. All right. So if you haven't subscribed, this is a good segue into my subscribe speech. If you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe and ring the bell so when I upload what I'm going to do with this, you'll get notified. Otherwise, how are you going to know, right? All right. Czech glass fire polish faceted round pink stone Picasso. These are pretty. And just so you know, subscribing doesn't cost anything. It's free. Oh, these are pretty. I love these. Love the Picasso finish. Yeah, I was trying to see. They don't really go too well with that, but they go really well with these pears. Or these look really pretty with them. I think I'm going to pair these up together for sure. Probably those and these look really pretty together. So I always sit and kind of, when I get a box like this, I always sit and just kind of look and see, like, what would I put with what? And that's how I kind of get ideas, you know, like these I know I'll probably put together. This could go with those. That's really pretty with that, you know. So I do that. I sit and do that and just try to, the ideas come. Oh, look here. Czech glass elephant focal, copper wash, periwinkle opal. What a little elephant. He's cute, isn't he? I think I had a fun fact about elephants in my thing here. I'm not sure. I thought I did. Let's see real quick. If I do, yeah, I do. Let's read the fun fact about elephants. Did you know an elephant can lift up to 770 pounds with their trunk? I needed them here yesterday to help me lift this palm tree. Look at him. He's like, what are you doing? So yeah, there's our fun fact about an elephant. Isn't he cute? Adorable. Okay, he looks pretty. He looks pretty with these too. These kind of go with everything, it seems like. Yeah, he's cute. All right, I'm saving my favorite gemstone for last, but it is in this box. It is in this box, and I'm excited about it. Okay, then we have Czech glass carved oval, pastel rainbow luster mix, 15-piece strand. These are pretty. These, I feel like, need to all stay together. Like, You know, you would want to separate out maybe some of the colors, but they are so pretty. Ooh, and they're going to be pretty. Okay, they are so pretty. I feel like they need to stay all together. They look like candy. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, they definitely need to stay together in a group. Pastels. That would have been really pretty for like Easter colors. Those are gorgeous. And they have like this. Can you see the luster finish when I move it? Yeah, you can. That is really beautiful. Those are gorgeous. Love those. Okay. Then we have, what are these? Oh, Czech glass boho owl gold wash blue. Look at these owls. Those are super cute. Oh, look at him. I love owls. I think I have a fun fact about owls too. Not entirely sure. I'm not going to do this the whole time, but oh, I do. Look, did you know a group of owls is called a parliament? You can find owls on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. Look how cute. I kind of want to move to Antarctica because they don't have any spiders, but I would miss the owls. I like owls. All right, these are adorable. Get the detail on them, and they are double-sided, of course. Those are so cute. All right. Now, these are pretty. Look at these. Czech glass Preciosa peanut. Copper clear. What? What are these? They are drilled in the middle. They are like a little peanut. Can you see? There's a hole right in the middle. These are what I was thinking. Whoops. Oh my, I'm dropping them. They are small. They're really small. Okay, they would be really pretty with this elephant. Look at that. Or they go really well with the owls. Those are so cute. Ooh, they look really pretty with this rhodonite too. Yeah, I like these a lot. And he gave us a ton of them. How many are in here? 9 grams. It looks like more than that to me even. They're so pretty. Okay, those will be fun. Now these are beautiful. Table Cup Mix, Canyon Creek, 6x10. And so they're 6x10, 8x12, or 6x10, 8x12, 14-piece set. Rectangle. Oh no, okay, it's 2 different ones. Gotcha. 6x10, 8x12. Aren't they pretty? These are gorgeous. These blue. Oh my goodness, I love these. Ooh, look how pretty. So, look at the differences in these. Look how pretty those are. Some are transparent, some are more opaque. There's another transparent one. Those two go really good together. These are just beautiful. I love these. Wow. And then these little ovals are super cute too. They go really well with these peanut beads. This box is going to be really fun to put together. Beautiful. Love those. I think this is one of my favorites. Except for my all-time favorite box was the one Sam did of his favorite stuff. So I'll have to link that one in the description box below. It was so gorgeous. But this one's beautiful too. They're all great, but this one's really pretty too. I like this one a lot. I think this is my second favorite far. Lava Stone Round, rose gold plated, 8.5 millimeter 15-inch strands. So this is going to be really pretty with any of this copper that's in here. Look at this. That's going to be beautiful together. Goes really well with the elephant. Yeah, Sam always does such a great job matching things up. These are really nice. I love these. They're beautiful. Okay. And then we have Czech glass fire polish faceted round blue stone purple luster. Oh, these are pretty. These are mattes, sort of. They're very cool. I'm a huge fan of fire polish beads. I know you guys know that if you've watched me. Look how pretty that looks together. Definitely goes. Oh, these are really pretty with it too. Look at that together, all of those 3. So this is what I do. I just sit and put them together, like what looks good together. These are beautiful. They would be pretty with the peanuts too. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. Fun with this box. Okay, what are these? Czech glass pillow etched stone Picasso, 6x8 millimeter 50-piece strand. Ooh, these are cool. They look like They're called pillows. They look like potatoes to me. Those are so cute. Huh. Okay. Wow. These look pretty with the rhodonite, or they look really pretty with this. Yeah, these are beautiful. Look at that. They're kind of, they're etched, it said, and they do have a texture to them. Very cool. Pillows. I think this is a new one on me. I haven't seen the pillows before. All right. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, so we have a mandala flower stone luster, 18 millimeters, one piece, and table cut dragonfly in camel copper wash, 17 millimeters, one piece. Oh, these are pretty. Wow. Sam, I love boho. This is beautiful. These are double-sided, of course. Look how pretty this is with this. This is perfect with it. I'm kind of a monochromatic girl. I don't know. Like, you know, this is all kind of the same color family. I have trouble mixing in. Now, this would go well in there. I have trouble mixing colors in sometimes. I'm just very monochromatic. Now, that looks good. So, my point in saying that is I need to branch out and be more, you know, pull more colors in. I'm not very good at that. But these look, see how I pull out one color scheme. That's what I always do. I really need to branch out. Those are beautiful. Can't wait to use those. Then we have table cut oval lavender silk clear mix, 12 by 14 millimeter, 8-piece set. Oh, goodness. These are gorgeous. What a pretty pair of earrings these are going to make. Look at these. Those are beautiful. They look like blown glass almost. Look at that. Oh, these are my favorite thing in this whole thing, I think. See, here I go pulling out all the purples. But look how pretty. Oh my goodness, they look gorgeous together. And then, of course, the coppers. This looks really pretty with them, too. Beautiful. These are, I think these are my favorite beads in this whole box. They're just so unique and beautiful. Look at that. I'll definitely be making a pair of earrings out of those, and probably a bracelet or necklace or something. These are pretty. Okay. Then we have some owls. These are cute. Czech glass earring pair owl collection. 5-color set. 6 by 14 millimeter. 10 pieces. So these are cute. These are little earring owls. So, oh, little brown ones, black ones, AB ones, turquoise, and copper. These are so cute. There's one up close. Oops, is that the back of him? No, they're the same, front and back. Okay. Super cute, tiny little owls, adorable. That's nice, little bunch of earrings there. All right, and for my favorite thing in this box, so this trumped these, even though I really love these, this trumps these. This is my favorite gemstone. Impression Jasper Smooth Rondelle, composite dyed, 4.5 by 8.5 millimeter 7-inch strand. This Impression Jasper in these colors is one of my favorite gemstones ever. I think it is so beautiful. These colors, the blues and the burgundy, red. I guess it's more of a brick red. But this has been my favorite gemstone for a long time. I do love Mookaite too. It's one of my favorites. Look how pretty this looks with this. It looks beautiful with the copper. The leaf with it. So yeah, I love this Impression Jasper. Looks so beautiful with that. I mean, it is just so pretty. Yeah, look at that. Oh, can't wait to use that. So that is Sam's bead box for the month of May 2022. And I have got to say, Sam outdid himself this time. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful box. So if you're interested in subscribing, I will have a link in the description box below. And if you use the coupon code Wendy, it will get you $5 off your first box, which is very generous, I think, of Sam. But wow, look at this mix-up of stuff. It is just absolutely stunning. So this is going to be a fun box to work with. I know I'm late on it, but I'm excited to get into it and do something. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!